So my wife is in the middle of making these Christmas ornaments. She has to wrap each one with copper foil, solder it, you know, and do the wire to it and lace it up, make it all pretty and clean it. So in order to speed up production, lay this over there, I came up with an idea that if it would probably take her an hour to do these and those. So I got to thinking, I filled a dish with flux. I fired up my 5th burner. I took a stainless steel pot and put solder in it. As you can see, the 5th burner is plenty hot enough to melt the solder. Get yourself a pair of duckbill pliers. You dip the glass in the flux. Then you dip the glass in the solder. You rotate that glass and all your sides get covered evenly in a fraction of the time it would take you to use a soldering iron. And boom, you're done. One more time. It's all wrapped, ready to go. Dip it in flux. The flux runs off and drips off, so you're not wasting any. You dip it, turn it, dip it, turn it, and the solder just makes a perfect. So I mean, you can't do that with a soldering iron. It just flows right on there, and you shake off that last little bit, and you're done. That quick. Thank you for watching.